I just had 2 motorcycles to go by I missed. Ah, that stinks. I was busy busting up some of this bread, leftover bread, throwing it out there for the birds. I had one come up. We'll get some bread out there, so maybe I could film some birds. Just one on the roof of the garage. Thinking about coming down and get that bread. I hope he does. I get a good film on him. Sparrow. They're around. They see me throwing it. I had one bird come out of the tree, come down and got one, and then took off with it. That was cool. Hope we get some more motorcycles. That was cool. We had 2 bikes go by. There's a bird. He's coming over. A robin. Yeah, robin. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the robin. I can. Right there he is. He's thinking about coming over to get some bread, I think. Yes, he's coming over to get some bread. He's down there in the yard now. He's a cute little fella. There he comes. Oh. Okay. I don't think I made it. None of them got that far over. They have to come a little closer to get that bread. I think he's mate. Where'd he go? He must have taken him. Oh no, he's still out there. There he is. He's running behind a tree. He's cool, that fella. Oh, he's behind a tree. Oh, he's on the other side. Over by the other tree. Cool. About Robin watching. He gets down here to eat, maybe some more will come. I got a bunch of bread scattered all over the ground out here. He's got to come over here a little ways to get some more. If I hold real still, maybe I'll come over. So cute. I love birds. I love animals. He's behind that wood pile now. I think he's trying to sneak his way up here. What little does he know, I'm not going to hurt him. Just want to see him eat and be happy. He's behind that wood pile again. I have to get me a garden hose and tear some of that down and burn it slowly, little by little, along with the pile of that. As soon as I get a garden hose, I'll do that. And my foot gets the film better. Burn it down. Take all the ashes and fill in that hole. There's a hole in it. Keep filling in there. Here goes a motorcycle. I think it's one of them sports bikes. Yeah? I don't know what it is. Sean Kerr would know. Not sure which one it is. I can't tell the difference in them. I don't really care for them. I mean, Sean Kerr likes them a lot. But hey, good for him. He's a good guy. He's a younger guy, so I guess he likes them. Not me. I'll be happy enough with my victory. Sit there and just cruise easy. Hey, look at that bird. There he is. I hear another one coming. Zoom back out. I think I hear another motorcycle coming. I guess not. That robin's way over. They're cute little robin. I'm gonna try to make them like me. Start feeding them. Get me a bird feeder. The bird bath and a bird feeder. Get them out. Hook them up. Oh wow, a cardinal. Look at that. Looking for some bread. Is it a cardinal? What is that? I can't see him on the camera. I got him. He's cool. There's that. I believe he should be right in there. Yeah, he's. If you can see the cardinal or not. Hopefully I got him. That's pretty cool. Cardinal's pretty. Robin over there, got Cardinal coming in. I think they're noticing the bread all over the place. Eventually we'll get them in here, we'll get a film on them. And I'm gonna set this off and try to bring them in more, put some more bread out there.